That sound is awful.
I know, it's terrible. I've been listening to it for hours now. It's horrible.
In the western United States, there are less than 100,000 wild horses. They've always been an easy scapegoat for the livestock industry, who don't want to admit that the huge numbers of their cattle and sheep that are overgrazing are the problem with land health in the American West. And yet, the Bureau of Land Management wants to take away thousands of these horses.
It's a David and Goliath situation.
Who even found these horses?
Look around, we can't even see them.
But guys, look how overpopulated it is.
They're going to be imprisoned the rest of their lives for nothing. They did nothing wrong.
Our observation rights are being denied, but I'm not surprised.
We want to document what is going on down there.
Look, I'm in charge and we have to move further back.
This issue has not been properly scientifically researched.
You've got to be kidding me.
I don't think that they really care for the horses out here.
I mentioned the family dynamics because she basically scoffed at me.